Welcome to our video where I will show you why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. Let's get into it, shall we? Looking for ways to get a better quality of sleep? Surprisingly, you may have heard about putting garlic under your pillow to help sleep. The question is, will putting a clove of unpeeled garlic under your pillow help with sleep? Or is it just an old wives' tale? Garlic is full of potassium and magnesium, both of which play a crucial role in helping induce deep sleep. These elements help in both putting you to sleep if you're having problems getting a shut-eye quickly, and helps promote undisturbed sleep. You may have heard about this from your grandma, aunt, or some family member before, but never believed it at first. This goes way back to our ancestors, and there's a reason why, even in this modern world, this method still works. Let's discuss it further, as well as discuss other ways to promote better sleep quality. While considered a power food, according to research, garlic also contains surprisingly high concentrations of sulfurous compounds. These compounds, which are high enough to be dispersed through its scent, enter our brain through the olfactory nerves. Our brain then receives these signals from our neural sensors, which then tells our body, hey, it's time for you to calm down and go to sleep. It simply shows how amazing garlic is. That you can get most of the benefits even without ingesting it. More to this later. Some people don't mind the scent, but if you're someone who has a sensitive nose, it may take some time to get used to it. Don't worry though. You'll outgrow the smell, and once you're used to it, it will be easier to get some shut-eye. Additionally, studies have also shown that it has a good effect when it comes to one's physical performance. The high levels of sulfurous compounds are also responsible for recharging your body, thus making you feel relaxed and more recharged the following day. Ingesting garlic also helps promote sleep. Did you know that approximately 40 million people in the United States of America alone are suffering from chronic sleeping problems? Being a nutrient-dense food, which is also rich in antioxidants, eating 2 to 3 cloves or around 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw garlic per day doesn't just regulate your sleeping patterns, but can also help your body in a lot of different ways. As discussed earlier, these sulfuric compounds, including allicin, are strong enough for our body to enjoy the benefits even without ingesting. However, nothing still beats taking the food directly. And ingesting garlic has been proven to have numerous health benefits. Let's focus on the top 2 compounds in garlic that are responsible for giving you that good night's sleep. Magnesium. Before we dive into what magnesium is and what it does to the body, here's one thing you should remember. Our body systems are linked to one another, meaning that if one system functions off course, all the other systems may be affected as well. This essential mineral is well known for its relaxing, sleep-promoting, disease-protecting, and stress-reducing properties. In general, magnesium has a major role in the body. It helps maintain normal muscle and nerve function, keeps the heart beating steady, strengthens the immune system, regulates blood glucose levels, and many others. Unfortunately, not many people are informed that magnesium levels have a relation with our sleeping patterns and behavior, being that it's one of the 24 crucial vitamins and minerals that our body needs to function properly. Having less than normal levels of magnesium may just cause our body systems to function off course, which also means that there's a greater risk for other chronic health issues. Normal magnesium levels aid in protecting metabolic health. It is also responsible for stabilizing mood, keeps stress at bay, and surprise, promotes better sleep. If magnesium levels are not within the normal healthy range, which is around 310 to 420 milligrams in adults, then expect that your body won't be able to function at its optimal state. also affecting all the other systems, including the way your body handles stress and sleeping patterns. Potassium. Potassium, just like magnesium, is another mineral that our body needs to perform optimally. Its main role is to help muscles and nerves to communicate. It is also responsible for moving essential nutrients into our cells and directing waste products away from our cells. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.